Sarah Wingard, U.S. immigration attorney from 3A Immigration. Okay, in today's video, we are addressing a challenging scenario, that of what to do if your E-2 visa application is denied. Understanding your options can really help you plan your next steps more effectively. But before I just jump in, please do like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a question. We will do our best to address it in an upcoming video. Alrighty, so let's just jump into 3 common reasons why an E-2 visa will be denied. First up is going to be insufficient investment. So the investment amount might not be considered substantial or sufficiently at risk to qualify for an E-2 visa. You know, a lot of attorneys will tell you that you got to spend $100,000 in order to apply for the E-2 visa. Now, while there really isn't a minimum amount required, the truth is that the closer you get to $100,000 spent, the easier your application will be to get approved. So the U.S. government wants to see that you're really serious about making that business succeed and that you funded it sufficiently to get it operational. Okay, number 2, next up. The immigration authorities might say that your business is not a real and operating enterprise. Okay, so with this one, they're saying that your business does not seem viable or capable of generating more than enough income to provide for kind of a minimal living. You've got to remember that just generating enough income for you and your family will not meet the E-2 requirements. It will not meet those E-2 thresholds. You also do have to keep in mind that the funds have got to be spent, gone, out the door at the time that you apply for that E-2 visa. That's the funds being at risk. So when you go to your E-2 appointment, you want to be at the point that you can tell the immigration authorities that once they stamp your visa and you get that visa approval in your passport, you're going to hop a plane to the US and your business is up and running. Okay. Number 3, after that, we've got marginality. Now with this one, they're saying that your business doesn't seem to have the capacity to make a significant economic impact or maybe create enough jobs for US workers. You do have to remember the underlying reasons for the E-2 program. I mean, the E-2 program is there to contribute to the US economy and to create jobs for US workers. I mean, for example, for those of you who are going to renew your E-2 maybe at the 4 or 5 year mark, depending on what country you're from, the government wants to see that you're employing 4, maybe 5 US workers at that time. Okay, so you got the denial letter. What steps are you going to take after you get that E-2 visa denial? Look at the letter, review the denial letter, understand the specific reasons for the denial. The denial letter from USCIS or the consulate will hopefully detail why your application was not successful. You might want to consider reapplying. Like if, for example, if maybe the denial was due to correctable issues like incomplete documentation or insufficient evidence of the investment amount, well, why not address those concerns with additional evidence and just go ahead and submit a new application? By doing that, you're showing the U.S. government that you're serious about making this business succeed and that you're also serious about living and working in the United States in order to do that. Another option, you could file a motion to reopen or reconsider. So if you believe the decision was based upon incorrect information, you can file a motion to reopen your case with new evidence or maybe a motion to reconsider based upon misinterpretation of the law or of facts. Another option may be you could appeal the decision. Now, some visa denials can be appealed to the AAO or the Administrative Appeals Office. So this option depends upon the nature of the denial and really the grounds cited by the authorities for the denial. Okay, the big takeaway. The takeaway from this video is get yourself a legal consultation, right? You're gonna need that. It's gonna be key to figuring out if it's worth it to try again for your E-2 visa. Now, as an immigration attorney, you know I'm gonna say you should give us a call. Come on, seek some professional help. Give us a call so that we can kind of help you understand what your options are and maybe take a look at the best courses of action based upon the specifics of your case. So, thank you again for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Give us a call when you're ready to begin or continue your E-2 visa journey.